In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos in Adobe Express. If you want to combine two video clips into one finished video, Adobe Express makes the process very simple. You do not need any advanced editing skills for this. As long as you already have a project open and at least one video clip in it, you can quickly add another clip and place it right after the first one. To begin, open your video project in Adobe Express. This is the project where you want your final merged video to live. Once you're inside the project, make sure one of your videos is already there so you have a starting point on the timeline. Next, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you can bring in additional media. Click Upload and your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the second video you want to merge with the first one. Select the file, then click Open or simply press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the selection. This will bring the new video into Adobe Express. After that, a small window will appear with import options. In that window, choose Add as Seen in Sequence. This option is important because it tells Adobe Express to place your new video in order with the existing one, instead of replacing anything or putting it somewhere unexpected. Once you've selected that option, click Add in the bottom right corner of the window. Adobe Express will then place that second video directly next to your first video on the timeline. At this point, your clips are essentially lined up to play one after the other, which is exactly what you want when merging videos. If needed, you can rearrange the clips by clicking and dragging them. Just make sure they stay next to each other on the same track. That way, your final video will play smoothly in the correct order without gaps or confusion. This is also a good moment to quickly double-check the sequence before exporting, especially if the order of the clips matters. Once everything looks right, export the project. When you do, Adobe Express will output the clips as one combined video, so your separate video files become a single finished piece. And that's it. That's how to merge videos in Adobe Express.